Great morning guys, this is your host Tito Nelius, your Mr. DJ 1972. Iyon no, ayan, last night or the other night we have a party so blast and we're here at the Resurgence after party, diba? Not only that, at ang galing ng kanilang DJ, walang iba kundi si
Let's do it, DJ Aragulio!
Wow! Bukod sa magaling, eh maganda pa.
Wow!
At ang galing mag-mix, diba? Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na maging Mr. DJ, diba? Watch out kung paano ko i-mix yung kanyang mga tugtog.
Wow!
At video, diba? Na kinuha ko dahil this is really a fun party. Kita mo pa lang, oh, ang ating mga Viva Hot Babes, oh, nagwa-warm up pa lang. At dahil sa tugtugan na ito, lahat yun ay sama-sama, diba?
Wow!
We're in this together. Because we are one.
Wow!
Iyon, no?
I wanna see your hands! Let's go!
Wow!
That's right! We shuffle and shuffle in. Here we go! Everybody move it on! Go crazy right now! Go crazy right now! Go crazy right now! Ladies at the back, let's go!
Wow!
Shake it! Ooh, ooh, ooh! Go crazy right now! Go crazy right now! Come on! Feels so good!
Tama talaga. It feels so good pagkasama ang ating mga bini, diba?
Wow!
At syempre, isama na rin yung ating mga bini-bini na eto, oh. Iyon, no?
Wow!
Progress, more sense to go!
At this point, Tito Nelius, your Mr. DJ, would like to thank our major sponsors, Pro Friends of Property Company of Lancaster, New City,
Wow!
Westwind at Lancaster, New City,
Wow!
Micara Estate in Tansa, Cavite,
Wow.
and of course, Lamore inside Micara Estates, diba?
Wow.
At walang iba kundi ang Minami Residence.
Wow!
Yun, no?